Morning students. Next reaction Na2SiO3 react with hydrogen fluoride gives how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. So releasing 3H2O, remaining NaSiEf. And how many Na? 2. So write 2. How many Si? 1. So how many fluorine? 6. So write 6 times Na2SiF6. Next to oxidation. Oxidation, hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide formula Hi. That forward reaction, hydrogen ions plus iodines, releasing of 2 electrons. In backward reaction also possible. That hydrogen iodine is the reducing agent. Next, hydrogen bromide is slowly oxidized into sulfuric acid into sulfur dioxide. See the reaction. Hydrogen bromide formula HBr, sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives here 2 times. So how many hydrogens? Here 2 hydrogens, here 2 hydrogens. So releasing 2H2O, remaining bromine will be removed, Br2 plus remaining SO2 only present. Hydrogen iodide also slowly released but not SO2. See the reaction. Hi, hydrogen iodide Hi plus H2SO4 gives here 8 times taken. So releasing amount of water. How many means depend upon the oxygens. So 4 oxygen released 4H2O only. 4 oxygen released 4H2O. Remaining iodine released. How many iodine? 8. So front of you write 4 times plus H2S only presence. HBr react with the sulfuric acid means SO2. Hi react means hydrogen sulfide produced, not SO2. Next, table number 3.5 you have to read. 1 mark side important. And interior 1 mark also asked. Next topic, interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds. Each halogen combine with other halogens. Each halogens combines with other halogen is called interhalogen compounds. So many example will be present. What are the example means? First one AB types. Second AB3. Third AB5. Fourth AB7. So 4 types only present. AB3, AB5, AB7. So example will be given table number 3.6. 1 mark side important. Next properties. Properties first point, the central atom will be the larger one. Central atom will be the larger one. Second point, they formed between two halogen only, formed between two halogens, and not more than two halogens, more than, not more than two halogens, only two halogens, more than two halogens not. Third point, fluorine is not central atom, central metal atom, because small one, Next, fourth one, due to high electronegativity small size of fluorine, so central atom is not possible. Fifth one, undergo autoionization. See the reactions. 2 ICl, forward reaction I plus ICl2 minus. Second reaction 2ICl3 gives, in backward reaction also possible. Forward reaction ICl2 plus ICl4 minus. Backward reaction also possible. Next, sixth point, a strong oxidizing agent. Next, structure of interhalogen compounds. The type AX. That AX only linear. AX3 T-shaped. Next, AX5 square pyramidal. AX7 pentagonal pyramidal. And table number 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, all are is the 1 mark side important. So you have to memory of them. Table number 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Next, group number 18. Group number 18 is called noble gas or inert gas or rare gas. Y means completely filled orbitals. Completely filled orbitals. General electronic configuration NS2 NP6. That N is the period number. That 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2. So first ionization energy degrees from helium to radon. Noble gas large ionization energy. Releasing of electron impossible. So largest ionization energy. Why largest means because completely filled orbitals. Next, properties. First one, monoatomic. Second one, odorless. Third one, colorless. Fourth one, tasteless. Fifth one, non-inflammable. Next, last one, highly unreactive. Highly unreactive. And non-metallic nature. Non-metallic nature. Chemical properties. Xenon and krypton only some chemical properties, but xenon only more properties. First reaction, xenon react with fluorine, which condition in the presence of nickel at 400 degree Celsius. Xenon fluoride obtained. Second reaction, xenon react with increasing number of fluorine. So what happened? Nickel and acetone in the presence of nickel and acetone at 400 degree Celsius, XeF4%. And again xenon react with 3Fe2. So here nickel at 200 atmosphere. Same temperature will be XeF6 obtained. That XeF6 heated with silica. XeF6 heated with silica at 50 degrees Celsius. How many Xe means 2 XeF6. That is silicon taken 4 fluorines. So SiF4 remaining Xe oxygen F. Xe oxygen F. So silicon, xenon also 2, fluorine also 2, oxygen also 2. Now fluorine balance 6 2s are 12. So 4 minus 12 8. So from in base rate 4 times. Base rate 4 times. Again reaction will be continue. XeOF4 react with silica SiO2. How many times means 2 times taken. What happened means again SiF4 removed, remaining Xe oxygen Cf. That Xe2 oxygens here 2 4. So remaining 4 2s are 8. Remaining 4 is there. So front of you write 2. So here 2, here 2. Then again also react. 2XeO2F2 react with SiO2. Again same condition will be followed. SiF4 released. Remaining 2XeO 3 times. Because all the fluorine will be released. Si also released. X and O only present. Here 2 oxygens, here 2 oxygens. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Next hydrolysis. XeF6 hydrolysis. Hydrolysis using water molecule H2O 3 times. So what happened means removal of HF. Removal of HF. How many means here fluorine 6, hydrogen also 6. So front of you write 6 times. Remaining XeO 3 times. Next XeF6 react with 2.5 m of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide how much taken means 2.5 molarity. So how many times means 16 times taken. How many times? 16 times. So first remove water molecules. How many hydrogens? 16 hydrogen. So 8H2O. Second sodium fluoride. How many sodium? 16 sodium. So fluorine how many? 12. So NaF. How many times? Lower than 12. Next oxygen released. Oxygen released O2. Oxygen released O2. Remaining 1Hc. And the main product sodium XeO. The total sodium 16. So 12 removed means 4. So Na 4 times. Xe taken 2 times. So how many Xe? That 2 times. 1 Xe gone means remaining 1. Oxygen 6. Oxygen 6. Here 8. Here 2. 8 plus 2 10. So remaining 6 oxygen. That is the main product. Product name sodium perhexanate. Sodium perhexanate. Sodium perhexanate is the very strong oxygenating property. Example XeO6 4 minus plus 2Mn2 plus 14 hydrogen accept. That XeO6 4 times taken 5 times. So what happened? First MnO4 minus plus 5XeO3. That 14 hydrogen released how many means 7H2O. That all are is the balanced. Next another examples XeF6 BF3 is formed, comma XeF6 MF is formed. That M is called alkyl metals. M is called alkali metals. In table number 3.11, so also 1 mark side very important, because hybridations and structure also given. So you have to memory the table 3.11. Next uses, helium uses. Helium oxygen mixture used in the trials. What means place of air or oxygen mixture. Where is the not available oxygen means that helium oxygen mixture will be used. The prevention painful dangerous condition called PENS. In second point, helium is used to provide inert atmosphere. For example, electric arc and welding metals. Helium has lowest boiling point. Lowest boiling, where used means cryogens. Cryogens used. And much less denser. Used for filling air balloons. Next, neon. Neon advertisement for neon sign. Because brilliantly red glow will be produced. So passing electrical current through the neon gas with under low pressures. Third one, argon. Argon used hot filament of parallax filament bulbs. Next, krypton. Krypton used fluorescent bulb and flash bulbs. Lamps filled with krypton in airport approaching lights. Airport approaching light can be penetrated 10 spoke. Next, xenon. Xenon used fluorescent bulbs and flash bulbs and laser also. Xenon emits intense light, discharge tubes intensely due to the used high-speed electronic flash bulb that used for photography. You got to Photoshop means suddenly come and going. Next uses radon. Radon used radioactive and source of gamma rays. Very very important. One mark said. Radon gas sealed small capsules that medical side used. Infant body destroyed malgrant growth, cancer growth. So used radon. Inner next unit number 4, transition and inner transition elements. Transition elements especially D block. Inner transition F block. So both block is the incompletely filled orbitals. Both block is the incompletely filled orbitals. So is called transition metals, including that lanthanide and agnites also, including lanthanides and agnites also. Lanthanides and agnites also. So D block elements located in periodic table means S and B block elements between located. S and B block elements between located. So all transition metals will be hard, and high melting points. High melting point. Some of the transition metal will be discussed. Iron and copper, very very important for development of human life. Next, tungsten. Next, tungstens. Also, very light bulb filaments, very important in nowadays electronics. And titanium. Titanium also very very important. Which one means artificial joints. Next, molybdenum used boiler plants. Platinum used as a catalyst. Platinum used as a catalyst. That way all are is the play in the living organisms. All are playing the role of living systems. For example, iron. For example, iron used were hemoglobins. Cobalt. Next term, cobalt. CO. Don't write equally. In vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, etc. D block elements composed 3D series 4th period. How many elements means 10 elements. First element scandium 2 zinc. Scandium 2 zinc. Totally 10 elements. Next 4D series 5th period. How many element present means deuterium 2 cadmium. Here also 10 elements. Next 5D series 6th period. Lanthanum, comma, hafnium to mercury. Hafnium to mercury. Here also 10 elements. Here also 10 elements. And group number 12 elements. Group number 12 elements. Zinc, cadmium and mercury. So do not have partially filled orbitals. These three elements, zinc, these elements do not have partially filled orbitals. Partially filled d orbitals. and normally oxidation state, the trend transition metals. And 67th period, 60 series 7th period, actinium, ruthenium to Cn. Along the transition elements, they are radioactive elements. They are radioactive elements. And except actinium, all the remaining elements synthesisly prepared but very low off rate, very low half-life period. Very low half-life periods. Next, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration in 11th standard already we discussed everything. Which principle means first one, alpha principle. Alpha principle and Hund rules. So you have to review. Properties, metallic behavior. All transition elements, all are metals. All transition elements metals. Similar, all metals good conductors and electricity. Good conductor and electricity. Good conductor and electricity. Unlike metals, group 1 and group 2. All transition metals except group number 11. All are hard except group number remaining, all are hard. All the known elements, silver is good conductor with room temperature. Good conductor with room temperature. Most of the transition elements, hexagonal close packed, hexagonal close packed and cubic close packed or body center cubic close. So HCP, CCP and PCP, hexagonal closed packed, cubic center cubic close packed, body center cubic. As we move to left to right, transition metal melting point will be increase. Melting point will be increases. As we move left to right, transition metal melting point will be increases. Number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons in d orbitals come to the paired means reach the maximum level. Reach the maximum level. After that, reach the maximum level. After that, decreasing orders. After that, decreasing orders. Example, melting point of scandium. Melting point of scandium 1814 Kelvin. Maximum level vanadium 2183 Kelvin. After that, closed chromium 2180. That will be decreased. So magnesium 3D series and Tc in 4D series, low melting point. Low melting point.